There you go, got him. Ooh, it's a Rocky. There we go. What's going on, everybody? Landon here from Curtis Outdoors, and today I'm in northern Michigan right over here for 6 days, and we're going to be doing tons of fishing. So today we're going to start off fishing this river right over here. It is called the Crystal River, and we'll see what we can catch here. Okay, I'm going to start off throwing this tiny little curly-tailed grub on a jig head, which is one of my favorite multi-species baits, so we'll see what we can catch with this. There we go. There we go. Alright guys, there's our first fish of the day. I'm not sure what it is. Looks like some sort of chub or a sucker fish. Alright, there's fish number 1 of the day. Some kind of chub or a sucker fish. See you later, buddy. There you go, got him. Ooh, it's a Rocky. There we go. Second fish of the day, a rock bass right there. Fought pretty hard on ultralight gear. Let's let him go. Oh, there's another. What is this? It's another one of those creek chub suckerfish things. See you later. There we go. There's another little rock bass right there. Got him on the curly-tailed grub. Awesome. There's our second rock bass of the day on a little white curly-tailed grub. Beautiful fish. Look at the colors on him. Alright, so let him go now. There we go. Oh yeah. Alright guys, there's another rock bass right there. Decent one too. That's probably the biggest one of the day. Beautiful fish. Alright, there's definitely the biggest fish of the day so far. A nice sized rock bass. See you later. Well anyways, that pretty much wraps it up for today's video fishing this river right over here. We caught quite a few rock bass, so that was pretty cool, and I'll see you all in the next video.